Hi everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today to share a couple of cards with you. So today, these cards will be going for hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. And this week we are using daisy dies. And so I want to say it's similar and not exactly the same this week. So these are my dies. These are the daisy dies that I will be using, which came from the Spellbinders Kinetic dies, but I'm not for sure the exact name. But now I store my dies in categories versus by the company, so that's why it's separated from that. But that's what I'm using. I am also using Always Believe That Something Wonderful Is About to Happen, and that is from Altenew. I'm also using these Infinity dies from Hero Arts. And what else am I using? I am using also these stencils, which I got from Michaels, and I'm using this one right there, as well as this Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist spray. I'm using that, and that's the iridescent gold. And then my color that I used for that ink is Distress Oxide Mustard Seed. And then I'm also using these Paper Roses Shaker Mix gems. All right, let's look at this card a little bit more close. Oh, I didn't take out the colors that I'm using for the stem there. So I'm using Prisma, and it is dark olive green. And I am also using, and this is Prisma as well, and that is the green tea. And that's to color up the flower stems. And there we go. Take a closer look, and I don't know for sure if you can see that iridescence that's on the card there, but hopefully you can. And I sprinkled those little gems around there. I wanted to make sure they were pretty much touching the yellow so they could shine through there. But I thought the card was very simple, clean, and pretty. And there goes the inside. Now for this card, I am using this Copic color Y-Yellow, and then I used the zero to bleed the yellow out. I didn't want it to be very bright, so I bled it out. This card was inspired by Pinterest, and so, which is just the laying of the flowers. And then let me go ahead and show you everything else that I used to create this card. So I am using My Creative Time, Thinking of You down there, and that's Window, Sentiment, and Flowers. I don't think she has this anymore. I'm almost definite she doesn't have this anymore. And I'm also using this here from Whimsy Stamps. I thought this was going to actually cut this, the middle part was going to cut out the frame, which is why I pulled it apart, but it actually only embosses that frame. But I went ahead and just cut it out and then just laid it on top of that, just so you know if you happen to buy this. And then I also used these leaves right there, and that came from Graphic 45 Diamond Press Design. Okay. Oops, nope, the diamond press is down here. And then from Whimsy Stamps, I am using that little piece right there. And what else did I use? I think that's it, except for I am using also Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, and this is Lemon Zest, and I'm using these diamond dots here. All right, so let me just show you this a little bit more close. I'm not for sure if you can see that little shine on that glimmer mist, and I just sprayed it once and that's what came out, and so I just went with it. I thought it turned out very pretty though. And that die from Whimsy Stamps, it embosses a little bit there. So yeah, I thought it turned out really cute though. Backed it up with some black just to make the colors pop, and there goes the inside. And that is all I have for you. Make sure you use those hashtags down below, as well as the links if you want to go that route. And head over to Gloria's channel, see what she made with her daisies. And that's all I have for you. have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.